A moment of destiny. You see, Moses was called, but he was still inactive prior to the burning bush experience. There was a singular moment that everything changed for Moses. There was a singular moment of activation where Moses was activated, where he could start walking into his calling and start walking into his field of ministry. It did not happen prior to being touched by the fire of the Holy Ghost. You see, you need to be touched by the fire before you can become active. Before you've been touched by the Holy Ghost, before the life-changing moment of the burning bush in your life, you will still be inactive. So my hope today is that you become active rather than inactive. We must seek the burning bush rather than the slavery in Egypt. It is important to bring the discernment between the burning bush and the slavery in Egypt. We need to actively seek activation, because it is in activation that your power lies.